Myntri Rangbah Conrad K Sangma ula pynurlong jaka jingkwah kawei ka longkmie Tymmen bandan ka jaka apkali Monabari ka shnong jongka. Kani ka longkmie kalapan na Conrad Snem Urlong bat ka sorkar thoh ya ka Chek kaba tyngka katei ka shnong. Hynrei dan mano banwan shim ya kani ka pisa. Kumta ka pisa phai biang pisa ka sorkar Snem Urlong. Bat Mynta ka sngi ka arpusan tarik unaitung Conrad ula ai tyngka shakani ka shnong ya kaba ula kular Snem Urlong shakani ka longkmie bala Tymmen kabadang im hadu Mynta. Kani ka Tymmen ka kwa ban yo ya kani ka Jingthrang nakikti jong Conrad K Sangma bat kalayo Mynta ka sngi ban pynurlong ya ka Jingthrang jongka nakabenta ki patba nakikti jong uni unong yalam ka Jylla. Ka jingkemen jong kani ka longkmie Tymmen Mynta ka sngi ka long ka bakraw hadu kata-kata bat kani ka shnong ka bahap ha ka jingpet jong ka betising CNRD blog. Myntri Rangbah ulas ngap ba kriaw ye ki jingwat jong ki pat ba ha ka jingalang pat ba ka blalong ha kani ka sngi ha ampati. Kini ki jingwat bat jingdawa jong ki pat ba kilong halor ko umbam umdi ki surok kilinti singkien ki jingkular ka sorkar menshwa ye ki ba ampat la ban pynurlong bat bun jat ki we ki jingwat ki baydai bat ka jingpendrei kam ye ki scheme penroi ha ki shnong ka South West Garo Hills district. Myntri Rangbah ulapha bat ula bathak ya ka deputy commissioner ya ki BDO ba ki he jong ki department ki badan ha kani ka district ban penrei kam ya baro ki jingkular jong ka sorkar ha kini ki banai ki banang wan.
Next sudah halak na mat jawah. Hai babu. Yan song ni VO ni bimongwa ha ya waiting set na out hangout natin jo. Next ko. Deh. Bahas ka. O ba. Ama, deh macam-macam ko maya. Ko lang follow up na. I said just follow up and make sure the money and everything is because if there's any mistakes in the check number or not in the name and all these things, just double check. Follow up with her after your check ko na immediately deposit card. Deposit card you make sure that you call her to find out that the money has been transferred. Confirm that. Only when it's confirmed, then you put the resolution to that issue. There.
Ani aga nalina cek kita tahu Jermani membangun agak karena sana pemerintah mungkin lagi canggih tangani sarang apa itu dengan Jerman. Betul sah.
Nah, saya angan nak kada zaman santit zaman ya tyngka sokpai mana ni sanjir injai mana bukan pelan angkong application itu punya akan temki ini kita donga ya chief minister development scheme ni ko nada jam मतलब ने गाली दोनी में बुलसी की निरंग संजी चिपचा थंका दे सोपाई दोंगा जामान ने बेकों प्लग हाथिंग जाए इगेन इगे थम दोंगा ने ये देखे मा खाबो आना इकु दागा नामे मासिया
शिपिंग सरचा यांगा थांग था मंगचोक ini
bukan ba
ya kok ya मैं बोल नहीं em di sini bangsa kita
bukan ba
em di sini nok thaba थांग था yang juk dia ko na aga ko na sukang ja tahu dia raksa mahal dia aku tendeng juk adi chip ini sacha yang waiting set manggen ina thang ha ko na thau ki cha chuk ma na 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 bar pujani ni group ni kita banga dil ke pamani ke man self group ni ba bio ni anga secretary mani ke man adi.
Friends, the CM Connect program is one of the flagship programs now for this government. It is a program through which we are reaching out to the people and bringing our administration closer to the people. We are ensuring that the schemes and the programs that are meant for the people at the grassroots, are they receiving those schemes and benefits or not? Is there any shortcoming in the work that we are doing? And can we do small things to improve the overall development and living standards of the people at the grassroots level? Through these different CM Connect programs, we are realizing that small interventions can actually make a very big difference in the people's lives. In the last 5 CM Connect programs I have had, 2 at district level and 3 at village levels, I have seen that people come up with basic issues and problems which don't require too much of intervention. It just requires us to streamline the process. And therefore, I expect that we'll be able to improve the overall governance and performance of this government and the administration by a huge percentage by simply listening to the people, connecting with the people, and trying to resolve the issues of the people with the intention of helping them. So without any further delay, I would like to start this public hearing. I know it is very hot. Some of you have not experienced this kind of heat also because we've come from different locations. But these are the conditions under which some of our citizens have to stay and live. And this is also in a way one experience for all of us to really see how the work happens at the grassroots level. So I hope that this CM Connect is not just a CM Connect, but it's a government connect. It's an official connect. It's a public connect. It's a chance for us to do something better and make the lives of the people for whom we all are working a bit better than what it is today. So with this thought process, I would like to start this particular CM Connect. I would request all our officers that I'll be calling you, so please be ready as soon as the public comes up.
Okay, sir. Betasing lok ni nang ogi chet kemak na lak sopri bunga hajar sotoko onaha. Hai jenma jakha dokat na. Uni pada vulnerability reduction fund ni nang oba selected di orang na VOG brak na. Okay, 74 village organization rang na chugam 80,50,000 ba lak sokchet hajar sotbonga ko onaha hai jakpa dokat na our total amount yanok mechak VO morcha pani na lak crore gani 15 lak chibonga hajar sokchet ko onaha yanok mechak village organization sir
Total amount dalo Jingthrang group rang now almost total amount 2 crores plus 45 lakhs plus 80 lakhs na. So that is 3 crores crore gatham lakh khol group ko dalo Jingthrang achni mechma group rang na women's group rang na self-help group rang na chga crore gatham lakh khol group ni Chek ko dalo ya group rang na chga distribute kaju.
Sir, may I also request you to hand over the agriculture response vehicles under CMLV? Ang bimang rangko mengapkin saktok na oninga. Ya gari rangko tao ansimi chief mandi rangko matakrak ba chief minister ni jakchi mengapkin bimang rangko mengapkin nasimang yang to papo saktokan Larik M Sangma South Larik M Sangma aro Moin ar Marak South Karo Hilsoni, Anal Siet Sangma aro Iman B Sangma, West Karo Hilsoni, ar Prebin Marak, aro Netaram Marak, East Karo Hilsoni, Ansani Manira ko Mandakra ba Chief Minister ni Chakoni ko mang ya ARB ko gari ko manenga ratsakinga. Hajun ma jakpa dokada sangsatay.
Hakani kasngi Myntri Rangbah ula pliru ya ka office batamai jong ka betasing CNRD block haka jinga dan langki he ki han na than pat na rilom garo
Videos of this.
Very simple and imagine earlier one kind of my God. Who expect people to work? And you know, Sensala working to see, na? I was just Sensala. That's the day I actually decided when Sensala MLA. That is the day I said, when I get a chance, to name all the block offices. So bad. Yeah.